a new set of challenges.
Yeah. Two more questions.
You want me to repeat?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The core identity of a business doesn't need to be its profits, but it actually needs to be its purpose. I've always been fascinated with this idea of social entrepreneurship. So creating a company that really creates impact as well as generates revenue and profits and is able to scale. For Hungry Harvest specifically, I learned about food waste. I met a farmer that was selling produce at our local farmer's market. And so I went out to his farm and I saw these peppers that were half green and half red, and apples that were misshapen and ugly, and eggplants that had funny noses and shapes. That the business major in me realized that he was not gaining any profits or revenue from this produce, so I could actually buy it from him and sell it for a discount and still make a margin in there. We've got about 150 active partnerships. We serve thousands of folks every single week, in addition to the thousands of folks that sign up and self-pay for Hungry Harvest. We use direct-to-consumer deliveries in the same manner that we use B2B deliveries. So we route them all through LogiNext's. They all integrate to the same drivers, the same routes.
Hungry Harvest was one of our initial customers. There were a few interesting challenges that we came across while working with Hungry Harvest. The first one was their unique business model, where they are a direct-to-consumer brand as well as a B2B brand together. And they're fulfilling both these kind of customers with the same trucks, with the same drivers, and from the same warehouse. We solved that challenge by having our efficient route optimization technology, which considers both different kinds of customers in a single route planning run.
LogiNext's has a really easy platform for reporting, for figuring out how long deliveries are taking in between each stop, how long deliveries are out on a route, the maximum amount of time that they're in a driver's car, where that driver has actually gone. So we're really grateful for LogiNext's to be able to have all of these metrics that are very easy to be reported on within the LogiNext's platform. We stuck with LogiNext's for quite a few years, and one of the reasons for that is customer service. LogiNext's has shown the ability to really integrate with all of our changing platforms, all of our changing tech stack, and you are not only reactive about it, but you're proactive about how can LogiNext's really help deliver the best solution possible for what Hungry Harvest needs at the time.
Second one was their evolving tech landscape. Hungry Harvest has always been hungrier to use newer technology stack and build new technology stack in-house. There was a need to have our APIs and our integrations aligned to their newer tech stack as well. I think we did a great job over the years at doing so. And the third one is a challenge that most of the customers in the space of last mile delivery face, which is where they have to balance their unit economics with their customer experience and customer requirements. A lot of times, customers have complex delivery windows from an expectation perspective, and the density of routes could be exactly contradicting those delivery expectations and the time expectations. What we did is that we could find the right balance with our AI-based algorithm to ensure that their economics are met. At the same time, their customers are very happy by receiving when they want to receive the shipment.
In logistics, AI is super important because we've come from a place where we started our company before AI was really a thing. I mean, we were doing manual routing, we were doing almost everything manual in Google Sheets. And so LogiNext's has come a very far way in integrating AI and helping reduce a lot of the manual labor that goes into actually routing and making changes, which always happens in logistics, right? And so from the customer's experience, I think LogiNext's really offers a very tailored and higher end experience to be able to track where our drivers are and where the delivery is, and ultimately help customer make the best use for their box by having it fresher. Drivers really like the LogiNext's tool. We've heard nothing but really good reviews. We've used several platforms in the past, and drivers are really raving about LogiNext's the most. So drivers really appreciate the LogiNext's platform, how easy it is to use, and how easy it is to troubleshoot. Hungry Harvest is in the fresh food industry, and in the fresh food industry, every day is a new day. We're constantly trying to iterate. We are constantly trying to kind of get through the day to get our customers the best, freshest products as possible. And LogiNext's is one less thing to worry about. They make LogiNext makes our delivery platform just really easy to use, and we don't have to constantly think about should we change platforms or how do we improve on this, because LogiNext is already doing that. And
Very happy to have partnered with them for last 8 years now out of the 10 years of LogiNext. Today they have grown from a direct-to-consumer business alone to a hybrid direct-to-consumer as well as a B2B business. We have seen a lot of technology systems changing in their landscape, and we are very happy that we have been able to serve them with the use of easy integrations and easy user experience, and obviously the world's best customer support that our team has been able to provide.
I'd really like LogiNext and Hungry Harvest to continue to iterate to figure out more ways we can work together, better ways we can work together on the logistics front, so that we can continue to reduce errors, reduce cost per delivery, reduce the amount of time it takes from a box to go from a refrigerated warehouse to a customer's door, and really focus on the automation, the AI. How can we make everything more efficient and less manual through integrating AI into everything that we do?
When purpose meets precision, magic happens. And that's what this partnership is about. Hungry Harvest's mission, powered by LogiNext's intelligence.